in some moments we didn't achieve another more goals, and of course Tajikistan came back on 2-1, but we were still stabilized, conscious, organized. We got to the 3-1, and I felt that we controlled that more or less. Okay, the 3-2 is with 2 seconds, no time for recovery no more, and I think it was not a great match of Portugal, but it was a good match of Portugal, and we deserved totally to win. But a huge respect and admiration for the work that Tajikistan is doing. Great work, a great team. They achieved the World Cup. They deserve it a lot, and they are a very, very tough team in the world of futsal. Very tough.
Thank you very much. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.